There's some positions in this department it's better just not to know.
Yeah.
You know?
That's why I'm like, okay.
How things actually get done.
The front door's open. Might see what they can run.
Front door's open. That's all they have to say. You guys don't get it before I can get this thing off.
Yeah, what we do is wait till we get inside.
I don't know. Go outside.
Yeah, I don't like it. Work at Deaconess?
No, I worked it last night.
Man, front door's open.
Don't forget.
Still want me to bang?
30% of these, I'm at the mall.
Don't break that window, boy.
Matter of fact, you know,
My radio coming up.
I had a lock.
I'll be right there with you.
Pretty good. You full pay for that?
Probably.
Yeah. No bad deal at all.
They stuck it up. Pulled off. I'm probably sure. He always calls me about 3 o'clock. I don't know why.
Where at?
Every time. In fact, I don't leave, but you call me about 2.
Hey, Sean, I'm still going to bang if that screen door is the only thing open.
Pull the screen door. I'll let you guys know if that big door's open.
Turn my radio off. When I'm on.
Oh, it's an hour.
Yeah,
Give me a bang.
Especially now you're tired. A little toasty.
Oh, I know what happened. My battery disconnected and connected again.
I need to do battery mode.
It's up, right? Up?
Yeah, it's up.
Yep.
Only about 2 blocks.
You got lights still? You going out that door? You're not locked, but
There you go.
stay put. Prep me a little bit there.
A little bit. I start messing with them. I don't get crazy.
As soon as we got up there, I was just gonna prep them out.
Flick it. Flick your bean.
Bring them in, boys.
There we go. Go, guys.
Take care of each other.
Concentrate. Focus.
Stay safe. Let's shoot chamber.
Ready to turn off now, guys.
Ready, turn. Here we go.
Remember to grab back Henry's vest and yell bang.
Yeah.
I'll get the screen door.
Okay.
You guys won't have to worry about the screen door. I'll get it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go down. Go down. I'm behind you.
Cover now.
Go. Go.
We're here.
Hit it.
I got high. I got high. Front door's open. I'll get it. I got it, Jeff.
I'm gonna go to the left side.
Police department, search warrant! Police department, search warrant! Ah, hey! What? Coming through, bang! Go! Police department, search warrant! Get down here! With you! Need one!
With you.
Okay, just relax, okay?
One of them trying to couch there.
Up, hun. Get up. On top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head.
Get a female right here.
Cover me.
I got it.
Back.
We need one in the back.
Need one.
I'll take your bike a little bit. Clear, come back. Got one here.
Need one in here.
Need one back here, guys. One coming out with one.
Somebody close here.
Pull the door. I get it.
Jackson's right now.
Clear. You want to check these? Or you think it's worth it?
I don't know if they had time. I hit.
Hold the stairs.
Okay, you got her. I'm going to all right, coming.
Alan, you gonna go?
Go. Who went up? How many you got?
A bunch. We need one.
Okay, I'm going down.
Got one right there, too.
With you.
We need one.
With you. Hold it. Just hold it.
Take it close, Dad.
Just hold it, Josh.
I got you. This is clear.
All right.
There was a cat or something.
There's a cat. Ready?
Here, I'll kick it.
Go ahead. Look right. I got left.
Door over there. Door. You guys good?
We need another one.
I'm with you guys.
Here, let's do this one first. Go ahead.
This is clear. This is clear.
Okay, come on out.
The only opening guys we had was in this top left here. There's an opening.
Okay, this is clear. This is just electrical.
Where you going, opening, Chad? It's up here on the left. We just got a cabin ceiling, you guys. Okay. Okay.
Anybody got a mirror?
I can see this wall here. The only thing I can't see, guys, is this right around the corner here.
Here, try this.
All clear. Okay.
Basement's clear.
We're coming up.
Coming up.
Send you guys up in the upstairs.
That looks like a bullet hole.
Where's that smoke coming from?
It's just
residual from the bang. There's no more being generated. It's cleared out a little bit since we started. She's not cuffed. I don't have any cuffs for her.
Turn around for me. Just go ahead and stand up.
This is just for our safety.
There's somebody out front.
Somebody's going to explain to you what's going on here in a second.
Please.
No, we have nobody out front. I'm going to stand here.
Okay,
We have nobody out here.
You got flip flops on?
Yes.
Yeah, be
Let's
careful on that.
unlock
glass.
that door. Let's walk her out front. Where's? Is she going out front too?
Yeah.
Anybody on the perimeter that come up and take two?
Does your back door work okay?
Yeah.
Let's just take her out the back so we don't risk cutting her feet up and sandals. You want
Okay.
to? We're clear.
I got a back porch and got to open the door.
Okay. All right, we're going to take her out the.
I'll go with you.
We know what the perimeter's monitoring.
Come on up. Just follow him out.
We're gonna. Their glasses. We got bad glasses in the front. We're gonna take them out the back and walk them around the side.
See if you can get out. Dishwasher's been changed.
Okay.
Microwave's been changed.
Okay, that's okay.
Like a turn that top.
We're going out the back door, and then we're gonna go around the east side of the house.
Yeah, the front. Can you get back the top? The top right there locks it. Door.
You're gonna have to step back over here with me. There you go.
Okay. Follow him out. Watch your step.
Can you come over this way? Can you come around the front? Come on. How old are you, hon?
18.
Okay. I know he's on the other side. There's a fence over there. Walk out to the lieutenant. He'll tell you where to go.
Say again?
They need to be kept separate.
Those are my cuffs, by the way.
I don't know how many people. Jeff, I thought you were just going to dive and lay on the floor for him. Well, I know, right? That fucking ram hit a lot harder than I thought it was going to. It just went beep.
It's just glass.
50-pound ram ain't no match for that 10-pound thing of glass. That'd been funny if it would have bounced off. Well, that's what I was thinking. You know, sometimes plate the glass or something.
So you get made fun of if it's 15 hits or one hit, right?
That'd been Pierce that took. Hey, we're all here. Did anybody see any train gear? Anything?